Hello world, it's Lee coming to you live from Fintech Week in Hong Kong, and I'm here with Takafumi from the Fintech Association of Japan. Welcome, Takafumi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also. So tell me, the Fintech Association of Japan, what's your role?
So our association's role is to promote fintech ecosystem in Japan. So our member is 100 startups and 250 bigger companies in Japan.
Okay. And so out of those 100 startups, what sort of technologies are you seeing them developing, and what sort of products and services are they building?
So there are so many startups, especially in remittance and settlement, and also gathering information from banks, such as using bank APIs and credit card APIs. Such companies are very important in Japan.
Right. And so why are they important in Japan?
So in Japan, so settlement and remittance and sharing information is the infrastructure of fintech. Right. So this is the first step for Japanese companies to start fintech. It's in such area.
Right. And so how long has the Fintech Association been operating for in Japan?
So about 3 years.
Right. And are you seeing a big growth in this area?
So at first, so member of fintech associations is only 30. However, in 3 years, we can 10 times members.
Right. 10 times growth in 3 years.
Wow. So there are very big market in Japan. Right. Expanding.
Right. And so obviously you've spent a couple of days here in Hong Kong at the Fintech. What's been the thing that's impressed you most about what's happening and the sort of the conversations that have been going on?
So we think there are many people from overseas countries, such as a European country. This is very impressive in Hong Kong.
Yes.
So Japanese in Japan, there are not so many foreign people. So we need to gather many attractions from such Asian countries, European countries. So today's Hong Kong event is very impressive for our association.
So you get to see what other countries are doing, what's happening in other parts of the world, and then perhaps take some of those ideas and implement them when you get back to Japan. Is that?
So we will start new innovation from Japan. So for example, bank API is one of the good topic for Japan. So 20 or 30 banks provided bank APIs to startups. Right. So which is one of the biggest movement all over the world, we think. So such new innovation, we should promote promote such new innovation from Japan.
And in terms of the regulation with using the APIs in Japan, are the banks open to the APIs and letting companies access data?
So Japanese Financial Service Agency revised Bank Act to implement a bank API. So some companies using bank API need to register in FSA and need to enter into a contract with banks.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So Takafumi, thank you very much for joining us. And if people want to find out more about Fintech Association of Japan, they can go to your website. What is the website?
Our website is www.
That's okay. We'll find it and we'll put it in the link down below. That's fine. He's got to look up the website.
So our website is https / fintechjapan.org.
fintechjapan.org. We'll put the link in the video. Thanks again, Takafumi, for joining us. And we'll be back with more from Fintech Week in Hong Kong.